Hello, this innovation was created to help everyone who involved in civil engineering field that related with concrete mixer either in construction or institutions. This innovation created to produce a set of slump test tools that may save in time management and organization aspect. Besides that, this box was made from material that has a high durability and generally considered as a tough material. This innovation has been tested and get an approval from civil engineering students and a construction worker and also used in high-risk constructions. The test was according to the work ability and the design of this product. Overall, Slump Test Toolkit can facilitate workers and the student to minimal energy and save time in preparing slump tests.